My lashes be looking so fine. So damn fine. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do this every Thursday and Sunday. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. Today we're going to be doing an opening my Birchbox, and of course it is the first box to get here every month. And although Birchbox hasn't really won me over overall, I think with it getting here as early in the month as it does, I don't know, it makes me feel kind of special. No, that they like me. Maybe? No? Yeah. If you've never heard of Birchbox, of course I'll leave a more detailed description down below, but it is a monthly subscription box where you get samples of different products, whether it's beauty, skin. That's it. Isn't it just a beauty box? Yeah. On the shipping label on the box, I just read this was actually a gift from Boo, and on the box it says, you know how it says who it's to, it says you're the best, Mary Hayes. And that kind of makes me feel cute. And the fact that the mail person delivered that like that, cool. Anyway, I'll just stop gushing. Let's break into this bad boy and see what we got. Like the last couple months, I've struggled with these little tags on the side where you pull down. Is the trick to just go slow? Because I'm trying to like zoom on through. I know, I can't get it. Oh gosh. You got it open. Oh, that is cute. What are you? Papaya? Hi. So of course it is a box in a box. You get a box in a box every month. Really cute boxes though, I've got to say. And on the back, on the box, but on the back of the box it says recycle me. And of course I love to do that with the boxes I get. They just make great gift boxes, especially stuff like this. It's easy for me. And then if you want to hide like the little logo, how Birchbox is right here in the middle, I just stick the gift tag right there. Anywho, box. And inside the box we have some very bright paper. Before I drop it, very bright wrapped paper. I like how this comes, how the Target Beauty box, remember that one? Way back in the day, used to come with like the little gift wrapping, so it was like a gift to myself. And then inside the box, inside our Birchbox, we get this cute little card, and it goes over a little bit of what the theme of the month is, and then the items that you received in your box as well on the back. So it says summer's here, it's time for a routine refresh. Oh, let me tell you, I've been looking. I'm in the process. Ooh. So it says summer is here. I'm assuming that's the theme. Summer's here. Summer is here. Summer's here. If you like the samples you got this month, buy the full size in our summer essentials category. You'll find those and more of our picks that we're keeping on hand this summer. And I'm assuming that's a little QR code in the pomegranate, so you just scan it and it takes you there. Let's go ahead and we're just gonna dig into my box and these adorable paper. Is this like a fluorescent yellow or like lime green? Because I'm in between, but I love it. I like it a lot. And these are all the items we got in our cute little box for the month. So let me go down my list one by one and we'll go over them. The first one is from BUMBLE, which is pretty expensive. The last time I went and got my hair done, my stylist, she was like, here, I recommend these products. Of course, they're BUMBLE. Like, I guess Ulta is using those in their salon now. And it was pretty good. It smelled amazing, but it was like 30 bucks for this tiny little bottle. Yeah, that's about right, because it says here it's a Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil Protective Primer. The full size is $28. This I am really assuming, yeah, it's the baby size. Yeah, but these things are really great too. I love how well these work. So it's a heat / UV protective primer. That's pretty cool. I want to smell it because I know they smell good. Yes, it smells so soft and so girly, like good stuff. I love this. I'm definitely going to be using this on my hair. I don't care if it's like the little baby size. I like it. The next item we have in our Birchbox is from Commodity. It is Book Eau de Parfum. The full size retails for $120, and oh my gosh, that'll be you. You look nice. I love this presentation though, like the whole matte with the glossy lettering. Gets me every time. It is a complex blend of sparkling bergamot, spicy cypress, and creamy sandalwood. I don't know if I would like that very much. No, just me. Scent space expressive for me and the many around me. If I can open this. And it says on the back here, book is a noun. Dry, woody pages bound together by a crisp cover. Tip of the hat to the Hemingways and Fitzgeralds of the world, conjuring the warmth of a quiet moment curled up with a good book. Here it is out of the package. Really cute. Nope. Maybe it smells, maybe this is one of those smells where you have to spray it, and then depending on your body heat and the environment, and after it dries it smells different. But it smells like ginger ale, musky ginger ale. I don't really want to spray it. Oh, I did. Yup. Nope. Oh, nope. Okay, it's oh, I got it on my hands. I got it on my hands. Oh gosh. Oh, it's not bad. It's actually dying down. Okay, it's kind of manly now. I get it. It's more manly. Apparently you just have to spray it on you and then flail around a lot, and it brings out the goods. Still not for me. This would definitely be for the mans, or like a very serious and like mood setting for your library or a good book room, or that living room that nobody really goes into in your house. Like the first living room I have in my house, nobody goes in there ever. But still, thanks for the thought, but now we know. No. The next item in my Birchbox is from Dr. Botanicals. It's a clean beauty pick. Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. I like butter. And I like lemon, but I don't think I like them together. The full size of this item retails for $19.90. So this is a multi-use butter, and it can be used as a moisturizer or treatment for extra dry areas on your body. Packed full of minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins to renew dry skin. No. That'll be you, huh? Don't call it butter, because then I'm thinking like, let me get some toast real quick or a good muffin, and it belongs on your body. Say body butter, not just butter. Rescue butter? No. Rescue butter is those cute little packets that they give you at McDonald's for your pancakes. Rescue should be body butter, but it's lemon. I don't mind lemon. I don't think I'd like lemon butter, but this is a pretty chunky size too. Normally I get like itty bitty sizes. I can't really smell it through here. I still got this manly musk on my hands. Definitely smells like old distinguished man who travels the world. just in case you're interested. It's growing on me though, I'm not gonna lie, it's growing on me. But this is pretty nice, and then also a really good size as far as the item goes. Most of the time they're a lot smaller. The next item is from Kiehls. It's a bestseller, supposedly. The Rare Earth Deep Pore Daily Cleanser. The full size retails for $24. It's made with exotic Brazilian clay from the mountain of the Amazon. Mouth. Amazon doesn't have mountains, does it? Mouth of the Amazon. This cleanser removes dirt and toxins without drying skin. But if it's clay, how does it remove dirt? I have questions. Here you are. Rare Earth Deep Pore. So like, I wonder, and I know this is one of these questions. Skip it if you want to. That's fine. Like, fast forward about 30 seconds here. If everybody's using this Amazon clay from the depths of the Amazon rainforest, are there any clay left? Is there any clay left in the Amazon? Just wondering. Just wondering. Anywho, that's a pretty nice size too. I mean, for being tiny, this compared to like a sample size or a deluxe size, definitely a deluxe size. Just with my little baby hands showing you here too. It's still pretty big. And I have gotten a few things from Kiehls before. They're not bad. Not the best, but not bad. And then finally, we have something from Purlisse. I say Purlisse or Purelise, depending on the mood I'm in right now. We have something from Purelise. It is the first time sampling the matcha green tea plus lemon detoxifying charcoal mask. The full size will retail for $35. This is the baby one. And oh, it's like a mask. So you just put on a thin layer of this brightening and exfoliating mask to your already clean skin. Leave on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And all the stuff in there, the green tea, the lemon, the white clay, it works to reveal your best skin. Do I already not have my best skin on? Because I... okay, never mind. Scratch that. This will help me bring out my best skin. That's cute though. I like that. You kind of go with the wrapping paper. It's cute. Matcha green tea plus lemon. We're really doing like this lemony... Okay, I get it. Summer's here. Summer's here. I get it. We're really playing on that theme. Okay. Can't really smell that either. Again, because I got this book, PARFUM, which I'm pretty sure is the Cologne. But I do like this. So this is everything that I got in my Birchbox for the month of June. I absolutely love that this is the first box that I get. I get to see, review, everything like that. You also get to pick one item, I believe. Have I been picking one? I'm pretty sure I've been picking an item. Anyway, cute stuff. As far as using everything, yes, no, yes, no, maybe, yes, probably. So like a possible 4 out of 5, maybe 3.5 out of 5. That's not bad. That's pretty good. Especially considering how much I paid for the box. That's not bad. And I do know, I have noticed, especially with the pandemic and everything, the lotions or butters have become like my BFFs. Just throwing it out there. I love it. I might spray that stuff in my first living room because honestly nobody goes in there. Like, you see it as you enter the house, and then that's it. I wonder if anyone would notice, like if I made it smell so manly and distinguished and well traveled. Would I have to put like a cigar chair in there as well? and a fireplace and a stuffed giraffe. Not like the ones you hunt, but like a legit stuffed animal giraffe. Anyway, I'm gonna go so I can get this stuff off my hands and stop contemplating all this. Let me know if you enjoyed what I got in my Birchbox. I know I kind of did. Honestly, I kind of did. If you got anything different, let me know as well. Maybe your tastes are completely different. I don't know exactly what the variations could have been or the variety that is out there. So it's nice for me to explore that and understand it. But I'll let you go. I'm rambling again. Thursday, Sunday. Yeah. Bye.